We're going to quickly review these review questions, kind of the pop quiz that we had here in the notes. So we're going to start with this one. 4x squared minus 4. Remember, our very first thing we want to do is factor. So we're going to pull our 4 out. X squared minus 1 over 9. X plus 1 squared. I'm going to go ahead and write that out. Maybe it'll help me to figure something out. 3x plus 3. I can pull something out there to make it 3 times x plus 1. I can pull a 2 out here. 2 times x minus 1. And then the only thing at this component that needs factored is this piece. I'm going to rewrite this guy. 4 x squared minus 1 is a difference of perfect squares. X minus 1, x plus 1. 9, x plus 1, x plus 1, 3x plus 1, 2x minus 1. So I'm going to find the ones if I can. Here's a pair, here and here. Okay. Here is another pair. Here is another pair. 3 and 9. 9 can be broken down into 3 times 3. So that would make that. 4 is 2 times 2, so 2. Now what am I left with? 2 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 just becomes 2. 3 times 1, 1, 1 and 1 is just 3. So the first one is 2/3. The next one, let's do multiplying and dividing together, and then we'll come back. 2x squared plus 13x plus 21. Well, I can see I went out of the way when I was writing that one to make life hard on you guys, so I'm going to come back to that part. 4x plus 8. And we can change this to multiply and rewrite it right now if we want to. Multiplied by 2x minus 2 is going to become 2 times x minus 1. And then we're going to have to factor our denominator. So let's see. These guys, do they have anything I can pull out of it before I have to factor? Yep, 6, 3, and 63 all have 3 as a greatest common factor. So we're going to pull that out to see if we can make our life any easier. So this becomes 2x squared minus 1x minus 21. Then here, 2x squared plus 13x plus 21. I'm going to have to factor. So 2 times 21, I'm going to do it over here, is 42. So in this case, I need two numbers that add together to make 13. So that would be 6 and 7. So I can use the box to factor over here, or I can do a GCF. So 13 must have come from 6x and 7x. So 2x squared plus 6x plus 7x plus 21. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that as 2x times x plus 3. And then back here, 7x plus 3. So this whole numerator can be rewritten as 2x plus 7 times x plus 3 over 4x plus 8 times 2x minus 1, 3. Now we're going to factor this guy. Let's see. We'll do this right here. And that, ignore that arrow. It doesn't need to be there. So again, 2 times 21 in this case is negative 42. So we need two numbers that add together to make negative 1. So that would be negative 7, positive 6. 2x squared minus 7x plus 6x minus 21. That's all coming from, how did we make this? It must have been two numbers. So this term came from these two. I'm factoring by grouping. Let's pull out just an x here in front is all we've got going for us. 2x minus 7. What do we have going for us back here? We've got the 3 is the only thing we have in common, so we're going to pull out a plus 3, which gives us 2x minus 7. So this can be regrouped into x plus 3 times 2x minus 7. Now we're going to cancel anywhere we can. So we have an x plus 3 with an x plus 3. 2x plus 7 and 2x minus 7 are not going to simplify. Let's see, we've got 4 and 2 is going to become 2. And then this will be 2x plus 7 times x plus 1. 2 times 3 is going to give us 6. X plus 8. 2x minus 7. And then if we wanted to, we could multiply out the numerator. Oops, sorry, you couldn't see that. Multiply out the numerator. Or you can leave it like this for now. I'll count that as proficient at this point in time. I'm going to pause and make a separate video for adding and subtracting.